there's something buried here. Wow, it's a little bunny. The bunny is hopping around so adorably. Look, there's more here. Wow, it's a purple dinosaur. Let's hear the dinosaur's sound. Let's see what other toy treasures are ahead. Amazing, it's definitely a zebra. Its black and white stripes are so beautiful. Let's see what other treasures are ahead. Look, there's a cute giraffe here too. Great, we've found so many adorable toys. Wow, there's another one here. It's a lion. Let's hear the lion's sound. Wow, look what this is. It's a hippopotamus. Fantastic. We've collected so many toy treasures today.